What's your all-time high, you're good as it gets? What's your guilty pleasure, your old go-to? Well, if you asked me, mine would be you. What's your worst hangover, your best night yet? Your 90 proof, your Marlboro Red. The best damn thing you lucked into. Well, that's easy, girl. Mine would be you. Mine would be you. Sun-kissed, shining, back road flying, singing like crazy fools, making up our own words, laughing till it hurts. Baby, if I had to choose, my best day ever, my finest hour, my wildest dream come true. Mine would be you.
I, Eric Joseph,
With this ring.
with this ring,
As a symbol of my intentions.
as a symbol of my intentions,
Take you, Danielle Samantha.
take you, Danielle Samantha,
To love,
to love,
cherish and respect.
cherish and respect,
To have and to hold.
to have and to hold,
From this day forward.
from this day forward.
And before these witnesses gathered here.
And before these witnesses gathered here,
To formally ask you.
to formally ask you
To be my wife.
to be my wife.
Danielle Samantha, you accept this man to be your lawful wedded husband, ma'am, and so please say I do.
I do.
Sir, you may place the ring on her finger.
Singing like crazy fools, making up our own words, laughing till it hurts. Baby, if I had to choose, my best day ever, my finest hour, my wildest dream come true. Mine would be you. What's the greatest chapter in your book? Are there pages where it hurts to look? What's the one regret you can't work through? You got it, baby, mine would be you. Yeah, you got it, baby, mine would be you. Mine would be you, tail lights fading, daylight breaking, standing there like a fool when I should have been running, yelling out something to make you wanna hold on to the best love ever. Girl, can you tell me the one thing you'd rather die than lose? 'Cause mine would be